Hey guys, in this video I am going to tell you the 10 major causes of failure in leadership which you must avoid in order to become an efficient leader. And these causes I am telling you from a very famous book and the best-selling book Think and Grow Rich. So you must listen carefully to each of the faults so that you may move on to become an efficient leader. So let's start without any delay. The first cause of failure in leadership is inability to organize the details. An efficient leader must be able to organize and also delegate the details to the proper lieutenants. By doing this, a leader can multiply himself and make himself available at many places. So by doing this, he can manage all the details of his position properly, and he would have no problem in maintaining those details. So this is the first quality and very important. After that, second quality which you should not have in order to avoid the failure in leadership is the unwillingness to render humble service. A leader is always willing to do whatever work he would offer other in case of any occasion which demands that work. And if he himself would have been a follower, whatever he would expect from a leader, he's ready in position of a leader for doing that work. So that quality you should have. After that, the third major cause of failure is expectation of pay for what you know and not for what you do with what you know. Actually, the people like to pay any people or any person to elect as a leader if they do something from what knowledge they are having. And if you are not advantage to any person, then he would not like you whatever knowledge you would have. You must have adding value to the people in order to become an efficient leader and in order to gain the majority of people's liking and their votes also. And they would like you as a leader only when you would be of advantage to them. So that thing you must keep in mind. After that, the fourth major cause of failure is fear of competition from the followers. If you are fearing that one of your followers would take your position and you will have no more the position of leader, then you are very sure to realize that fear. Because a real leader trains his understudies for delegating his details of the positions. And if you are not doing that, then you would not be able to maintain those details or the works of you, because you are not training anyone else and you are not making a team. You are just trying to work alone. So that will not work as a leader. You have to make a team and believe on all the members and also train them and believe on your own capability also, that you will retain your position as a leader because you have so many qualities of yourself as a leader. After that, the fifth major cause of failure is lack of imagination. If you are lacking the imagination, then you can't handle emergencies and you can also not create the plans for the followers to guide. You need to have that imagination if you want to become an efficient leader. After that, the sixth major cause of failure is selfishness. If you are just thinking of yourself and you are taking all the credits of the team, all the honors of the team for the work of followers also, then no follower will like you and there would be a sense of resentment grow among the followers, which will be dangerous for you as a leader. And you must consider about that whenever any honor comes, then you should give it to the team and not take yourself. So that was the sixth cause of failure. The seventh cause of failure is intemperance. Nobody will like a person as a leader to have an intemperate attitude, who does not control himself, who becomes very angry at some occasions and not considering the consequences of that, and be involved in any activity which is undesirable. Nobody would like such a person, and in various forms it destroys the endurance, and it also destroys the liveliness of ideas. So that an intemperate attitude must be not in a leader in order to become an efficient person in any field of life also. After that, the 8th major cause of failure is disloyalty, and it should have come the head of the list, because disloyalty is one of the major causes of failure in any field of life, and not only the leadership. If you are not loyal to your associates, the person working with you, the person working below you, and the person working above you, under your trust, if you're not loyal to it, then nobody would accept you very long as a leader, or even working with you, he will not accept you. Now, the 9th major cause of failure in leadership is emphasis of the authority of leadership. A real leader does not need to emphasize his authority, but he does not need to advertise that fact that he is a real leader. If he is emphasizing his authority, then that comes under the leadership through force. And a real leader dominates by not the authority, he does the makes place in the heart of people, and not instills the fear in the heart of people. That is the quality of a real leader. So this should be adopted. Now, the 10th major cause of failure is emphasis of title. A real leader does not emphasize his title, and his quarters are free of formalities and ostentation. So these were the 10 major causes of failure in leadership, and you must give attention to every cause of it and make sure that you are free of all these faults, because any one of these faults are able to take you towards failure. So with the expectation that this will help you a lot in moving you towards an efficient leadership, I'm ending my video. And if you have liked this video, then and you can give me your feedback for this video through your likes and comments. Please give me that so that I can improve my video according to your demand. And also you can tell me that which video I should make according to your choice. And if you want to see more videos on such information, then you can click on the subscribe button below to subscribe my channel, so that you can easily access my videos. And also you can click on the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I will upload my next video. So meet you soon guys in my next video. Till then, take care and stay happy. Bye bye.